Hello and welcome to Opt-in Monster. In this video, we'll teach you 9 steps to market and grow your blog. Step 1 is to make your site easy to use. You want your audience to quickly and easily understand what you offer, so make sure to have a clear navigation and don't forget the search box. Step 2 is to speed up your site. Try Pingdom or PageSpeed Insights to evaluate your web's performance. These services also generate suggestions to make your website faster. Step 3 is to create crave-worthy content. Remember, people are coming to you for value, so keep your content focused on your readers, tell a story, use a conversational tone, and create original resources for them. Step 4 is to build engagement. For your content to be engaging, it needs to be easily scannable. Make sure to keep your paragraphs short, use subheadings, lists, visual aids, and highlight important points. Step 5 is to optimize for search engines. Make sure to optimize your meta title and meta description, and to use keywords in your post title and subheading. Additional measures include interlinking your posts and linking out to other credible sites. Step 6 is to build your subscribers. Grow your subscriber base by putting opt-in forms on your site in multiple places. Make sure to offer a lead magnet and link your opt-in page to your social media channels. Step 7 is to get social media savvy. Social media is one of the strongest ways to drive traffic to your blog, so make sure to have a presence on Instagram and Facebook and add content there. Step 8 is to get networking. Make blogger friends and guest post on one another's blog. You can also build up your own Facebook group and collaborate with others. And finally, step 9 is to submit your work to content curation sites. Although it's time-consuming, submitting your work to other content curation sites is key in growing your brand. It gets your name out there to potential readers and gives you more content to share across social media. From here at Opt-in Monster, we wish you all the best as you grow and market your blog. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our free gift to you, 12 proven ways to convert abandoning visitors into subscribers.